Sara Peternell. I'm the creator of Nourished and Renewed with Hashimoto's. What you're about to read on this page is really a labor of love, something that I've been creating for 2 decades, something that I've put all of my own learnings, myself being diagnosed with Hashimoto's, not to mention everything that I have gleaned from all of my beloved clients over the years. I knew when I was diagnosed in my 20s that there were not adequate resources to support me in feeling well again. And the choices that I was being given through conventional medicine and other choices really just weren't up to par. I've put together a program that I know is life-changing because it has changed my own life. And this is the exact program that I try to convey with all of the people that I get to work with every day right here in my own office. I'm now bringing it to you in a 30-day self-paced program. This program is different from any other program you've ever participated in before. Yes, there is information everywhere on the internet and in books and from our doctors and from our neighbor Sue, and it is overwhelming and we can feel bombarded. But now you've come to a place where you have one trusted source, a person who has Hashimoto's, a person who's board certified in holistic nutrition, and a person who's been working with Hashimoto's clients for nearly 20 years. Nourished and Renewed with Hashimoto's brings together a comprehensive, totally holistic solution, one that you really cannot find anywhere else. Yes, there are other programs that focus on food or maybe the right supplements, but none of them have the self-care, the lifestyle, the body-mind, and much, much more in-depth information that I provide in this program about other hormones, including your adrenals, as well as the brain and mood component, which is so strong for so many people who have Hashimoto's. The symptoms that affect the brain and the mood are the ones that often bring people to me. Yes, we can live with some dry skin and feeling cold and maybe even a little bit of that fatigue, but it's the brain-related symptoms that often bring people to my office, and it may be what brought you here today. You don't have to live suffering from Hashimoto's anymore. You don't have to feel like you're no longer yourself. You can find the new and improved version of yourself through Nourished and Renewed with Hashimoto's. The program is 30 days and it's broken up into 7 phases. Each of these phases builds upon the one that comes before it. This is really one of the most in-depth educations that you can probably get about thyroid health, Hashimoto's, and autoimmunity in general. I'm going to teach you how to connect your thyroid to your immune system, learn about both, and learn how to take care of both. And that's usually where the aha moment takes place for many people. As I said, I have Hashimoto's myself, and I have been implementing and utilizing the tools, tips, and strategies that are at the forefront of this program in my own life for 20 years. I know that this program works because I live it day to day. I'm so excited to be able to share it with you here in a really exciting format. We have a group chat so that people who are participating in this program get to know one another, can share ideas, information, and resources, and I'll be checking in on that group chat pretty frequently so I can help answer questions. You will get some interaction with me in this program. This program is loaded with videos, handouts, questionnaires, timelines, all kinds of forms that give you tools to be able to do the hard work, the homework, that's going to help you learn so much more about yourself, learn so much more about your health goals, and also just to learn about the condition of Hashimoto's and the ways in which we are truly empowered to take back our health. I think one of the hallmarks of this program is the phase that teaches you how to work more closely with your doctor. I believe this is a team approach, and I want you to share this program with your doctor. I want you to tell them that you're thinking about doing this program or that you are doing this program. I work with many doctors who tell me that they don't have the time to educate their Hashimoto's patients on how to live a healthier life. That's what I'm here for. This program is going to help you work more closely with your doctor in combination with these holistic nutrition, supplement, and lifestyle tips to be more accurate and more consistent with testing, to utilize the testing information, not only for you to understand tests better, but also to work with your doctor to maybe make some medication adjustments. This is going to help you to set the groundwork for being the best manager of your health moving forward. Nourished and Renewed with Hashimoto's is a journey. It is a journey that starts with the baby steps that you've made just today by being here on this website page. I hope you'll read all the information throughout this website page and go down to the bottom and read some of the common questions that people have asked about joining this program. I'm excited to let you in on this secret about Nourished and Renewed. It is possible to live a happier and more hopeful life starting today. Thanks for being here, and I hope to see you over in the program really soon. Take care.